I'm extremely happy with the result. It looks very natural, and looking at some, for example, my brother-in-law who had it done in Turkey, it looks very fake because his hairs are all over the place. So there is an art to it, and what I would suggest is that you do the research, you go talk to the clinics, and nothing is really free. So if you do get when someone's saying I'll give you X amount of free grafts, it is generally quite a lie, because they know that something's wrong. So like anything in life, if it's too good to be true, there's a reason. So everything was up front. I feel extremely happy, and I would recommend you just come for the consultation, see how you feel, if you feel comfortable and you feel the realism of the aftercare. And I definitely can vouch for the aftercare, coming back the next day and then a week later, and the process becomes more and more, and I became more content that I was having my treatment here. So I would definitely recommend Glowjust Clinic for hair restoration. And yeah,